Well, let's apply what we now know about classifying triangles and finding missing values. And on page 239, example 5, in the guided practice, it says find the measure of the sides of an equilateral triangle of the equilateral triangle FGH. Okay, so it's equilateral, means all the sides are equal. And then we got all this weirdness here. Let's see, side FG is 2y plus 5, and side FH is 5y minus 19. And side GH is 3y minus 3. I got a common variable for each of the sides of this equilateral triangle. It means each of the sides are equal to each other. And we got to find the measure of the sides. That means I got to solve for y and then substitute that value for y into each of these three expressions given for each of these three sides. So let's see. Well, if it's equilateral, that means that all the sides are equal, so I can pick two of these sides and set them equal to each other and solve for y. And let's see, I think I'll choose, so I don't have to do too much weirdness, don't have to do any systems of equations or anything weird like that. Okay, good deal. All right, let's see, I got 5, I'm going to say 5y minus 19 equals 3y minus 3. Because remember, both these sides are equal to each other. It's an equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. All right, let's subtract 3y from both sides and add 19 to both sides. So let's see, that would give me 2y over here. And let's see, positive 13 minus 3, 19. 19 minus 3 is going to be 16. And let's divide both sides by 2, and so y is equal to 8. All right, so then I can substitute in 8 for y in each of these three expressions. Let's start here for line segment FG. So I got 2 times 8 plus 5. Well, 2 times 8 is 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. All right, well, that's okay. All right, let's see. Let's substitute in 8 for y in segment G8. So then I got 3 times 8 minus 3. Well, 3 times 8 is 24 minus 3. And that also equals to 21. That's good. That's what I'm looking for. It's an equilateral triangle. And lastly, let's go with FH. And I'm going to substitute in 8 for y here. So I got 5 times 8 minus 19. And 5 times 8 is 40 minus 19. And that also is 21. So we're good. Every side is equal to 21, which is what it should be when it is an equilateral triangle.